Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to delete multiple contacts at once. Friends, if you want to delete multiple contacts or due to any reason you want to delete all the contacts saved on your mobile phone, then you simply need to open contacts. In contacts, if you want to delete all the contacts saved on your mobile phone, then you simply need to select all the contacts. For that, you need to press on the three dots and here press on select all. Now all the contacts saved on your mobile phone is selected. In my case, the number of contacts is 1395. So all the contacts are selected, and if I want to delete these selected contacts, then I simply need to press on this delete button. But as I don't want to delete all my saved contacts, so I will deselect it. And like this, if you want to delete multiple contacts, like I want to delete this contact, then I need to select all the contacts by tapping on it, and after that I need to press on this delete button. Like I have selected 3 contacts. If I press on this delete button, then a confirmation message will appear. After reading, then press on delete again to delete these 3 selected contacts. As I don't want to delete these contacts, so I am pressing on cancel. So friends, like this you can very easily delete multiple contacts at once. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.